Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix error code 1020 access denied. This is the chat GPT. Step by step follow the steps. First step, go to the click to the any Chrome browser. Click to search for you using the chat GPT Chrome browser only. You click to select. After you see the you click to the triple dot. You click to the settings. After you click to the privacy and security, after scroll down for you see the cookies and other site data. Click to select. You will scroll down for you see the show all site data and performance. Click to select. You will search the chat GPT, but I am not created the chat GPT. You will after search the chat GPT. After you click to delete. After go to the next step, you will click to the plus. You will click to connect it for the VPN. But this is the not showing for VPN. You will next step you click to the VPN connection. After check this problem, not fixed only. You will go to the next step. You will click to the search bar, search the control panel. You click to the enter. You click to the network and internet. Next, click to the network and sharing center. You will search for the change the adapter settings. You will check for the your Wi-Fi. You will right click to properties. You will search for the internet protocol version 4. Click to the properties. You will change the open an IP address automatically. This is the first select. After cancel for use the following DNS server address. You will typing for 88888844. You click to OK. You will go to the next step. You will click to the search bar, search the CMD. You click to the run as administrator. Click to the yes. You will first typing for ipconfig space and slash DNS. Click to the enter. You will next typing for nuts space winsock space reset. Click to the enter. You will successful reset. You must restart your computer or it is completed the reset. Okay. You will click to cancel. You go to the Windows icon. You will restart your PC or laptop. After check this problem, 100% fix it. Thank you for watching.